I was always interested, and I've always had a passion for interiors and organization.
In this program, we learn a variety of things that relate to the interior design profession. We also learn a lot about real-world clients and real-world experiences. I think that's great.
So each class in our program, compared to when I first went to a university, is so focused that everything overlaps on each other. And so it's all things that will support what I'm actually going to do. You know, the instructors here are actually really good about bringing you up to speed if there's something you don't understand.
I think probably that is one of their biggest shocks, is how advanced we are. We move quite quickly into using technology to put together floor plans and different drawing sets for projects. Firms are hiring. The architecture industry, design industry specifically, has really come back well, and it's continuing to grow. So there's a variety of jobs. I think that's one of the strengths of interior design as a career path, is that our graduates just don't have one option. They have many options after they graduate.